O fair soul, stray not from my inside, for night groweth cold, the stars do hide, thy breath doth warm my trembling heart. Without thee near, I am torn apart. Abide with me still, O love most true. Let not the morrow steal thee anew. In time's swift tide, though all doth flee, yet sweet remain, and dwell